How to find groups in Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find groups in Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser or simply open up your Discord. After you do that, just log in into your account. After you've done that, on the left hand side, you will see this section. There you'll find a button called Discover. Head over to Discover and it will open up your Discord. Now here you can actually just explore different communities. So as you can see right here, there are featured servers, there are servers for games, there are servers for you know sports and stuff like that. So right here you can head over to this search bar as well to search for something that you like. So it can be your sports that you want, it can be any games that you play, and you can simply find those. And after you find that, you can simply choose any one, the one that you want, and you can join them as well. And there we go. So that's how you can find and join different groups in Discord. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.